Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel IT143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use clipboard options in Word 2007. Clipboard allows us to copy multiple text and graphical items from Office documents or other programs and paste them into another Office document. For example, we can copy text from emails, data from a workbook or datasheet, and image or graphic from a presentation and paste them into a document. Here I have prepared some data in a document. Notice that on the clipboard few options are grayed out now. To activate them, we need to select the text. Then we will get cut, copy, format painter and paste options. Let's copy the text. We can also use Ctrl+C shortcut key from our keyboard. Otherwise, simply right click on this, select the copy option. After this, select a insertion point anywhere in the document and click on paste. We can also use Ctrl+V shortcut. Otherwise, right click on the document, select to paste from the options, and notice that it will paste the text including all the formattings. And if you want to paste the text without formattings, click the arrow next to paste, and from the options please select to paste special. Then it will open paste special dialog box. From the options please select to unformatted text and click on OK. Then it will paste the data without formattings, and we can also paste the text as a Windows meta file picture. For that, come to paste special. In this, please select to picture Windows meta file option, click on OK. Now if we try to edit the text, we can't do that since it has image properties. In Word 2007, we can also paste multiple text items at a time. For that, select each text, click on copy, come to clipboard, again select to other text, and notice that it is showing 3 of 24 clipboards. We can store 24 items on clipboard. After that, select a insertion point. From here we can paste all of the copied items at once. For that, click on paste all. And if you want to paste one by one item, click the arrow, select to paste option. Again come to other text, click the arrow. Here we can paste the data or delete the item. And if you want to move the clipboard, click on the arrow, select to move option. Then we will get a four-sided arrow. Simply click and drag by pressing left mouse button. And if you want to resize this, click the arrow, select to size option. Then it will show the double-sided arrow. We can decrease or increase the size. Again, to bring this to default size, simply double click on this. After pasting all the data, if you want to clear the data from clipboard, simply click on clear all. Again come to clipboard, select the text. Here we can cut and paste the data anywhere in this document. Click on cut, select the insertion point and click on paste. And if you want to apply all the formattings to other text, select the text, click on format painter in clipboard. After that, come to new paragraph, click and drag by pressing left mouse button and select the text to which you want to apply these formattings. After reaching to the end, release the mouse button and automatically all the formattings are applied to that paragraph. Like this, we can use clipboard options in Microsoft Office Word 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel IT143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.